Hello again, it's Sam with BlindShell. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on your Bluetooth and pair it with a device on your BlindShell Classic mobile phone. So the BlindShell Classic phone does indeed have Bluetooth, and that will allow you to connect to audio devices like portable speakers such as this one. It's actually a very simple process, and I'm going to walk you through the steps right now. So our speaker is already turned on and it's in Bluetooth mode. Every single audio device is going to be different on how it needs to connect to a Bluetooth device. So you'll just have to research the process for your particular audio device. So first things first, I'm going to get into the Bluetooth settings. An easy way to do that is to press up on the directional pad.
12:15, Thursday, August 8th, 2019, 1 of 5.
This puts me in the settings, the status settings, and I'm going to click right until I find Bluetooth.
Wi-Fi state, signal strength, net battery state, 9, Bluetooth disabled, 5 of 5.
Here we are, we're in Bluetooth. I'm going to click OK.
Turn on Bluetooth, 1 of 1.
So I'm going to turn it on first, and then we will connect it to the device.
Bluetooth turned on.
So our Bluetooth is turned on. Now we have some different options. I'm going to click right.
Scan for devices, 2 of 3. Paired devices, 3 of 3.
Now, if this was already paired up, we could go into pair devices and connect to it that way, but this one is not paired up yet, so we need to find it first by scanning the available devices.
Scan for devices, 2 of 3.
I'm going to click OK.
Scanning.
And this process takes a couple seconds, so we'll let it go here.
Sound drum, hands-free, 1 of 2.
So this is indeed the sound drum. It says 1 of 2. That means there's another device nearby. Let's see what that one is.
TV, Samsung 7 Series, 42 of 2.
So yes, indeed I have a Samsung TV in this room that is also Bluetooth enabled. But like I said, we want the sound drum, so I'm going to go back.
Sound drum, hands-free, 1 of 2.
And I'm just going to click OK because that's the one I want.
Pairing. Successfully paired.
All right.
Scan for devices, 2 of 3.
So now we are paired to this device. That means the two devices can talk to each other, but we're not connected yet. We need to go to the paired devices.
Paired devices, 3 of 3.
Right there, and I'm going to click OK.
Sound drum, 1 of 1.
Sound drum is the only one we're connected to, so I'm going to click OK.
Connect device, 1 of 3.
I can connect the device.
Disconnect device, 2 of 3.
If we were already connected, I could disconnect.
Unpair device, 3 of 3.
Or I could unpair. Say I no longer needed to be connected to this, I can unpair from that device. But we're going to go back to the connect.
Disconnect device, connect device, 1 of 3.
I'm going to click OK.
Request to connect sent. Sound drum, 1 of 1.
Device paired.
And there we go. Now our sound drum portable speaker has announced that the device is paired. So now when I click a button, the sound should be coming out of the speaker.
Sound drum, 1 of 1.
And indeed it is.
Call, 1 of 9.
Thank you very much for watching. If you'd like to learn more about what your BlindShell Classic phone can do, be sure to head over to our YouTube channel to see more videos.